In medical settings, PCR testing requires specialized personnel and equipment, and its high cost makes access difficult in regions with limited infrastructure. Conventional rapid test kits provide results within 10 to 20 minutes, but their low accuracy misses more than 30% of infected cases. This was one of the major reasons we failed to stop the spread of infectious diseases, such as COVID-19. Korea Nano Ot can close this gap. The 3D Diagnostic Kit is a new solution that combines the convenience of rapid tests with the accuracy of PCR. It can detect not only infectious diseases such as COVID-19, but also gastrointestinal infections like norovirus. By simply sliding the cover, the sample and reagent are released simultaneously and guided through patented separate pathways, ensuring the intended sequence and improving sensitivity. A signal-enhancing agent further reduces false positives. Most importantly, it works without PCR, enabling reliable testing anytime, anywhere, without the need for expensive equipment or trained personnel. Beyond infectious diseases, this technology also holds potential for drug detection applications, opening new possibilities for future development. This is made possible by gold nanoparticles synthesized with Korea Nano Ot's proprietary technology. Our gold nanoparticles deliver clearer and stronger signals compared to conventional kits. Their superior dispersion and uniformity maximize detection sensitivity. With a larger surface area for ligand binding, they ensure higher reliability. At the same time, cost efficiency provides a strong edge in price competitiveness, making this innovation both powerful and practical. At home, in the field, in disaster zones, saving lives. 3D paper-based microfluidic diagnostic kit, lab-level accuracy, anywhere.